Without further ado, let's jump into number 1 on my list, which is the user demographics. IAmNaughty is a hookup dating website, obviously, that's mostly aimed at singles. It's for those who want a one-night stand or perhaps a friend with benefits, someone that they can contact for physical fun without any emotional attachment. Unfortunately, tracking down total user numbers for this website proved impossible. But there were some other facts and figures that it did actually uncover, and if they are accurate, this is a very busy website, that's for sure. For example, over 300,000 users are active on the website every week, and 500,000 users are from the United States alone. Those figures alone indicate that IAmNaughty has well over 1 million users, but I wouldn't try to hazard a guess as to exactly how many they have. Just know that this website is busy and has active users placed all over the globe. On sites like these as well, men more often than not are the dominant people in terms of user numbers, and this is true for IAmNaughty as well. In fact, 70% of users are male and 30% of users are female. That's more than a ratio of 2 to 1. So yes, even if you are a male looking for a casual hookup with a female, you might have to work a little bit harder to find the one that you are looking for, but they are there, that's for sure. Now let's look at their age ranges sorted by popularity. The most popular age range of this website are those who are aged 25 to 34 years old, and they represent 30% of all users, and of that 30%, 20% are male and 10% are female. Then it's 35 to 44 years old, who represent 20% of all users, and 15% are male and 5% are female. Then 18 to 24-year-olds, they represent 20% of the website, and they consist of 15% male and 5% female as well. And then 45 to 54 years old, who are 15% of users, who are 8% male and 7% female, and then users who are aged 55 years old and older are the least dominant on this website, and they consist of 15% of users, 12 of which are male and 3% are female. So this is going to move me onto number 2 on my list, but before I jumped into that, I did want to ask you guys to be sure you are hitting like and subscribe. Seriously, it really does help us out with that YouTube algorithm, and we super duper appreciate it.